A single sneeze blasts droplets out of your mouth faster than a speeding car, over 100 miles per hour. That's not just a quick burst, it's a microscopic storm shooting out with incredible force. Those sneeze droplets don't politely land at your feet, either. Scientists have tracked them sailing through the air, reaching distances up to 26 feet away before settling. That means what feels like a tiny sneeze can actually impact an entire room. Every droplet is packed with whatever microbes are hanging out in your nose and throat. In just one explosive second, you're launching thousands of invisible travelers that can linger in the air or land on surfaces far from where you stand. Next time you're in a crowded space, remember, one sneeze can turn the whole area into a zone of flying particles moving at highway speeds. Covering your mouth isn't just manners, it's high-speed containment.